me show you my campsite from last night. Looks like I'm in the middle of nowhere. I am in Arches National Park, technically. There is a road called Willow Springs Trailhead in Arches, which is that way. If you drive from that trailhead 27 minutes, you'll get to a free campground. But I found this cool little spot here. The road is like just right up there. I'm kind of like, actually the road's just right there. I'll show you. This is Willow Springs. My car is like right there. It's so cold. All right, well today I'm going to Arches National Park. I went in there last night. Obviously I'm here, but it was just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Holy crap, this place is gorgeous. I can't get enough. Oh my God, I cannot get enough. Well, there's a little trail over here. I'm gonna walk down here in a second after I make some dinner. I planned on coming to Moab to make some dinner and just check out the views, but I have not stopped just saying, oh my God, the whole way into Arches National Park, I have just been blown away. But yeah, this is a little walkway over here where I was talking about. Seems to go way back over there. Looks so sick. Damn, this place is cool. Hola. Got my coffee made. It's really cool to know that like I am the only person out here right now. Or at least that's what I think. It's so quiet and peaceful. Just me and my coffee. If I had like a omelet or something like that, that'd be even better. But it's just too cold to cook. I could barely make this coffee. I can't feel my hands or my feet. It's so cold. That's the worst part about waking up in the mornings. It's just so cold. But then when you camp in a place like this, and you wake up and you see like these canyons and stuff like this, or whatever they are, I guess they're canyons, and you just like, dang, it's worth it. It's like worth being cold. To get to wake up and see that is pretty special. Pretty dang special. Wow. All right, before I leave this sweet campsite to go into the park, I figured I could get a little articulate. I figured since we're in Moab, might as well rock crawl, right? Sick, I made it up this little baby gap. Oh, that's all I got right now, okay? And look at the articulation right now, you know? Look at that. Now the trick is to get off this rock without messing anything else up. That was fun. first stop, I think this is a good picture. What I have here is the Polaroid Sun 600 old school, and I'm pretty sure this thing is a liar because yeah, the photo counter I think is off. So it says I have 4, but I don't believe that. I think I've run into the problem before where it said I had more photos than what I do. The Fujifilm Mini 70 that I had, it broke. So that's why I'm using this ancient thing here. Yeah, that's all I got. Yeah, this thing is all I got. So for instant photos, so I'm just gonna take some with these. First stop, that right there. Let's see what we can do. Ooh. I thought the frog tongue would stick on there more. This thing is jacked. I don't know if the photos are gonna come out too good anymore. It's just, I think the cold might be getting to it. Dang it. All right, well, that's one. It's a tight fit. That's what she said. There we go. Cool. Oh my God. So cool. Yeah, my new favorite park. I think this place would be sweet to take a Polaroid. I like the rocks, how it just kind of like goes that way. Let me see what we got here. Well, that's all she wrote. Actually, this thing lied to me pretty good this time. It said I had 4, I only had 2. So yeah, I'm out. And I wasted both of those. Well, not wasted. I took 2 shots over there at the first place because the first one didn't come out too well. So this is so sick. I'm now at the Devil's Playground. Sounds like a Rob Zombie movie. Hell yeah. Oh my God. Whoa. So cool. All right. This video is getting a little out of hand, so what I'll do is I'm gonna take a few pictures in here and then I'm gonna call it, because really I wanted to take some Polaroids, but seeing as my camera is out of film and it's kind of screwed up. I'm afraid to even put more film in that thing. I need to get a new one. I'm gonna leave you here. I just wanted to take some Polaroid pictures, but yeah, my Polaroid is shot. apparently, and I'm out of film. I just didn't want to make this one too long, so I'll leave you with a couple more pictures, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.